Airports are filled with secrets, but most travelers have no idea they're making huge mistakes before they even step on the plane. From security scanning hacks that can speed up your TSA check, to hidden airport tricks airlines would rather you never discover. And yes, even the outfit you're wearing right now could get you flagged at security. But before we expose the dirtiest airport secrets airlines are desperately trying to keep hidden, smash that subscribe button so you never fall for their tricks again. Flip-flops seem convenient until they betray you. One awkward step and boom, barefoot in bacteria land. Boots, also terrible. TSA will have you unlacing them like it's a hostage negotiation. Slip-ons plus socks equals fast, clean, done. You're not there to impress anyone. You're there to survive. Airport floors are lava. Dress accordingly. If your pants can't survive without a belt, they don't belong at the airport. The second TSA says, remove your belt, it's game over. Now you're holding up your waistband like a panicked tourist at a water park. Your bag's falling, your laptop sliding, and your pants are staging a full escape. And please, leave the suspenders at home unless you're planning to pull a rabbit out of your passport. Wear pants with a real waistband. Joggers, stretch chinos, anything that holds itself together. This isn't about fashion, it's about survival. Airport pants should never need a second chance. You threw on a hoodie because it was chilly outside. Now you're at TSA and they tell you to take it off. But surprise, you didn't wear anything underneath. Now you're shirtless, awkward, and instantly the main character of Gate C-17. Security's annoyed, the people behind you are scarred, and you're just cold. Always wear a t-shirt or tank under your hoodie, no matter the weather. You can't predict airport AC, but you can avoid a public strip show. Dress in layers like you've done this before. Cargo pants feel like a smart move, until TSA sees you as a walking storage unit. You've got pockets on the thighs, knees, ankles. It's like a tactical vest for your legs. Now you're beeping at every scanner like a human Christmas tree. TSA doesn't care what's in them. They're checking anyway. Keep your outfit clean and your pockets minimal. Stash your stuff in your jacket, not scattered across your cargo zone. Pockets don't make you efficient. They make you suspicious. Think that edgy graphic tee makes a statement? Yeah, it says, please pull me aside for extra screening. TSA doesn't care if it's a joke. Offensive, political, or aggressive prints are all red flags. You'll be explaining your fashion choices while everyone else boards. Wear something plain, neutral, and forgettable. On purpose. You're going on a trip, not starting a debate. Blend in, fly through, and save the hot takes for vacation. Ever felt oddly relaxed while waiting at your gate? It's no accident. TSA and airports manipulate your emotions and your wallet. Lower ceilings, dim lighting, soft carpets. These cozy touches make travelers feel more at ease, reducing stress and anxiety. Studies show that calmer passengers spend 7 to 10% more in duty-free stores. So, that comfy lounge area? It's a carefully crafted psychological trick. And here's another mind-blowing fact. Airports intentionally make walking distances longer by designing terminals in a way that forces passengers to pass as many shops as possible. Ever wondered why you're forced through duty-free zones after security? It's called the Golden Walk strategy. Airports make billions by ensuring passengers unconsciously browse and impulse buy. Next time you're at an airport, look around. You're walking through a carefully designed money trap. You hand over your suitcase at check-in. But have you ever wondered what happens next? The truth? Once it leaves the check-in counter, even airport staff don't track it. Your bag is sorted by machines, using barcode scanners to send it to its destination. But luggage disasters happen every day. Here's what could go wrong. It moves too slowly. It misses your connecting flight. It moves too fast. Your bag gets to your destination before you do. You forgot an old luggage sticker? Your bag could end up in a completely different country. Luggage tracking hack. Always take a picture of your bag at check-in. If it's lost, having a photo helps staff find it faster. Also, use an AirTag or GPS tracker. Many travelers have recovered lost luggage this way. That airplane meal in front of you? It's been planned. A year ago. Airline menus aren't created overnight. They're tested, optimized, and cost-cut to the extreme. One airline saved $40,000 just by removing a single olive from their salads. Multiply that by millions of flights. It's a fortune. Behind the scenes, massive airport kitchens operate 24/7, preparing food 6 to 10 hours before takeoff for multiple airlines at once. Why does airplane food taste weird? Your taste buds dull by up to 30% at high altitudes. That's why airlines add extra salt and seasoning to meals. Otherwise, everything would taste bland. Ever been asked to rub your hands on a cloth at airport security? No, they're not checking for germs. They're scanning for trace chemicals. Security machines memorize scents of dangerous substances. If there's a match, the alarm goes off. Another hidden security trick is that some airports use facial recognition AI to spot potential threats, sometimes before you even reach the gate. The TSA liquid rule loophole. You can bring frozen liquids through security. Breast milk, medications, and baby formula are allowed over 100 milliliters. Just declare them. You showed up dressed like a rock star. Boots, chains, metal for days. But to TSA, you're not stylish. You're suspicious and setting off alarms like it's your job. Now you're getting scanned, patted down, and regretting every fashion choice you've ever made. They don't care how cool you look if you sound like a microwave. Leave the metal in your bag unless you enjoy bonus body checks. Fly quiet, fly fast, and save the heavy gear for after landing. Flowy pants, maxi skirts, giant cozy layers, they're comfy until they get flagged like a security risk. Extra fabric means extra places to hide things, or just get stuck in the scanner. Now TSA's pulling you aside like you've got a smuggler's cape on. If you're rocking a skirt, wear shorts underneath and keep it tight. Comfort's great, but not when it slows you down at the gate. You're vibing in line, headphones on, totally in the zone. Then TSA hits you with the classic, headphones off. Now you're panicking, untangling wires like it's a magic trick gone wrong. You're flustered, holding up the line, and looking like it's your first time flying. Just take them off before the scanner and stash them in your bag. Move like you've done this before, not like you just got here. This trick makes you look like a travel genius. Wear a jacket with huge inside pockets, the kind that can hold your whole life. Phone, passport, wallet, AirPods, snacks. Dump it all inside. When it's your turn, just toss the jacket in the bin and breeze through. No loose trays, no drop stuff, no stress. It's not a jacket. It's a carry-on disguise with sleeves. Boots might look good, but at TSA they turn into a full-blown crisis. You're bent over, unlacing like it's a workout while everyone behind you groans. By the time you get them off, you're holding up the line and your socks are touching airport floor. If you can, wear slip-ons and keep it moving. If you must wear boots, bring cheap foot covers and save your dignity. Style's great, but not when it comes with a side of foot fungus. Congrats, you cleared security in record time. But now you're crammed into seat 32B wearing pants that cut off circulation. TSA approved doesn't mean sit in this for 9 hours approved. Wear clothes that stretch, breathe, and don't try to fight your organs mid-flight. Think joggers, soft layers, and anything that feels like pajamas but looks like effort. Comfort isn't optional on long flights. It's survival gear. That soft-sided suitcase with the floppy zippers? Yeah, it's basically an invitation. Thieves can pop it open with a pen. TSA shrugs. Your stuff? Gone. Airports lose millions of bags a year, and not all of them are accidents. If your bag's not hard shell, anti-theft, and locked up, you're rolling the dice. And never, seriously never, check anything you can't afford to lose. Your luggage is your last line of defense. Treat it like it's carrying gold. And there it is. 12 airport secrets the airlines would rather you stay clueless about. Use them right, and you'll skip the chaos, dodge the delays, and glide through like a travel ninja. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your personal airport hack that actually works? Drop it in the comments. Let's build the ultimate survival guide for smart travelers. If even one of these tips saved you stress, smash the like button. It seriously helps. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a trick, a hack, or a chance to outsmart the system. Next up, we're exposing how bags really go missing and the shady business behind luggage theft. Spoiler: you'll never look at baggage claim the same way again.